Hi, I'm Nicole, and in this video, I'm going to give you some tips to improve your photography in the new year. The most obvious advice is to get out more with your camera. And while that's definitely true, I wanted to offer you more targeted tips to hopefully motivate and inspire you to really get out there and create more photos this year. So let's go ahead and get started. The first tip is to participate in a photo challenge. There are a lot of options out there. If you do a quick Google search, you'll likely find some lists with some photo ideas and topics that you can work with. You can do something a little bit more structured, like a 365 challenge, which is where you create one photo every single day, or you could do a weekly or monthly photo challenge as well. And if you're looking for something that's a little bit more structured, you may want to consider joining my free 52-week photo challenge. You can take a look at it over at 52photochallenge.com, where you can sign up and join the community. This is a personal challenge to help you grow your photography and also create more images throughout the year. It includes topics to help you improve your technique and composition, so it's not just a bunch of fluff topics that have you running around taking a bunch of random pictures. Plus, there are hundreds of other photographers doing this same challenge, so you can head over to the community and see what other photographers are creating with the same topics that you get every single week. So head over to 52photochallenge.com to learn more about that challenge. The next tip is to find some type of guided instruction. Now, this could be an in-person class that you've found in your local community, maybe an online course works better for you, or you could attend a workshop or a conference. You could also seek out books that you've been wanting to read, maybe educational or inspirational types of books, whatever kind of works best for you and you feel like you'll be more engaged with. Some other options include seeking out new photography podcasts or blogs or even YouTube channels. I find that when I consume other types of content, it really helps to spur creative ideas and gets me excited about photography. If you have any recommendations for some of the items I've mentioned in this tip, please share them in the comments below. I'd really love to see what helps keep you inspired. Tip number 3 is to explore a new photography genre. This is one that I personally love to do because I'm a very curious person and I really like to have challenges. I like to see what I can kind of overcome. I've actually become very proficient in many different photography genres because of this. I would seek out to do something such as food photography or water drop photography, and then I would research the heck out of it and then just try, and eventually I came up with photos that I love. So find a topic that you're really interested in and just kind of explore it and see what you can create. The next tip is to learn your camera. Digital cameras can be so complex. Now, that doesn't mean that they're difficult to use. It just means that there are a lot of features that we're not using, and it's probably because you just don't know about them. Some of the ways you can do this are to read your manual, or even better, find a website, a book, or a YouTube channel that features your camera model. The more you know about your camera, the more you will learn that there are probably tools that you can use right now to help improve the photographs you are already creating. Or it will inspire you to create different types of photographs or maybe see things from a different perspective because of a new tool that you just discovered. The last tip I have for you is to join a community. I truly believe that community, either online or in person, will bring more people together in the coming years. Social media will always be here, but it really seems to be changing, and people want deeper and more meaningful connections, and that's difficult to do with the social channels that we have today. With communities, you can find those connections with real people. You can become inspired and motivated, or discover new ideas to stay creative and challenged. There are a lot of communities out there. Sometimes you just have to search for one. If you want to look for something local, you might want to try meetup.com. Sometimes photo clubs or photo meetup groups will get together through that channel, and that's a great way to find other photographers. And if you're looking for an online community, I actually have a community I would love for you to be a part of. It's a free community, and it has a lot of really great and positive photographers in the group. head over to community.nicolesy.com where you can sign up and learn more, and be sure to say hello when you get there. I hope that some of these tips resonate with you and that it encourages you to pick up your camera and use it a little bit more in the new year. Thanks so much for watching, and Happy New Year.